I was on a diet for a month, and all I lost was 30 days. Yep, that's me. I am not a loser. I've been on a diet for the past month, and I didn't lose anything but 30 days. But you know what? That's okay. I'm a doctor, and I trained as a fitness competitor for nearly 20 years, but sometimes I fall off the wagon too. Today, I want to share with you how my journey started out when I decided to return to a fitness athlete lifestyle. It was last summer that I made the decision to return to training for fitness competitions. I'm just like many of you. I know how hard it can be to stick to a diet and exercise routine, but it's not impossible. When I started out on this journey, I was really excited. I made a lot of promises to myself about sticking to a strict diet and exercise regimen, one that I was actually very familiar with, having previously done it many times. However, 1 month after my decision to start up my training again, I had only lost half a pound. That's right, not 1 pound, half a pound. I was disappointed, but I didn't give up. Instead, I took a step back and evaluated what was holding me back. What I realized was that my life was different now than it was when I was competing 7 years ago. I have a lot more responsibilities, and it's harder to find the time to meal plan, shop, and cook. That's when I decided to focus on one thing that could get me over the hump: meal preparation. I found a healthy meal prep company online that allowed me to pick up 15 meals each week. And it was a great value because of the time it saved with the convenience it gave me. With 2 meals per day covered, I only had to worry about planning a healthy breakfast, which was pretty easy for me to prepare. I usually had gluten-free oats with some egg whites or a protein shake. So it's okay if you don't make progress when you first start off on a diet or training goal. Don't be too hard on yourself. Take a breath, take a step back, and look at what your stuck point is. What is that limiting factor that, if you remove it, will help you start moving forward? For me, it was meal prep. For you, what is it? Getting that momentum is all you need. In my case, I really started to feel better with my healthier diet. I had more energy, which allowed me to stick to my exercise program better. The momentum continued to build from there. So, if you're struggling to get back on track with your fitness goals, remember that it's just never too late to get started, or to get started again. Find the one thing that works for you, the one thing that will get that momentum going, and keep pushing forward. You got this. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please show me some love with a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for some more handy health and wellness tips. I'm Dr. Venus, on call. Stay fit, be happy.